These are two similar pool cleaners from Aiper. On the left, we have the brand new Scuba S3, and on the right, we have the Scuba V3. Now, don't get confused between the two names. We have the S3 and the V3. Just remember, V pretty much stands for vision because it does have that camera. But there are two key differences between these two, although they look very similar. So in today's video, we're going to quickly compare them, but really, there's only two major differences. So without further ado, let's jump in the video. First things first, I do want to let you know that Aiper does send me media samples so I can check them out for you guys. But this is not sponsored in any other way, as I do not allow sponsorships on any of my channels. Now, these do look very similar. They're similar in size, weight, design, and really hard to tell the differences between them from far away. Just understand that the V3, I'm assuming the V stands for vision, and that is because it has a built-in camera and a game-changing feature that makes the V3 my favorite pool cleaner to date. And that's with its AI patrol feature, which allows you to clean the pool quickly and easy because it can identify debris at the bottom of the pool. So at that last minute before people come over for a pool party, you don't have to wait for the pool cleaner to finish because it can detect it and quickly clean up the entire pool of visual debris in minutes instead of waiting an hour for it to complete the cycle. And that for me is a huge game changer. But if you don't want that AI feature and don't want to spend that AI money, Aiper also offers the Scuba S3. However, there is one other major key difference. The V3 also comes with a dock. So when you're ready to charge it up, you pull out of the pool, clean out the debris basket, and you throw it onto the dock quickly and easily. But with the S3, when you take it out, clean out the basket, you have to plug it in. And to me, that's just a huge inconvenience. But if you're okay with that and you're okay not having the AI features, then saving a couple $100 is probably worth it to you. All in all, both these are great pool cleaners. I can highly recommend either one of them. But if you're looking for an AI or a dock, gotta get the V3. I think that's going to be my best pool cleaner of 2026, which I am comparing all the pool cleaners this year on my website. So if you want to see a comparison chart of all the pool reviews, check out the link down in the description and you can compare them side by side and see all the tests that I run on them and find the right one for you. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. If you want to see full reviews of either one of these or even comparing it to the older Scuba S1, I'll leave those video links down in the description or in the top right corner right now. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button. And if you're a pool owner and tech lover like I am, definitely hit that subscribe button because I review pool tech products all the time on this channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.